Do you know a helicopter once crashed into a skyscraper in the middle of a busy city? It happened at the MetLife building, located in New York, USA. One day, in thick fog, a helicopter lost visibility while flying over the city. And within seconds, it slammed straight into the top of the building. A loud explosion shook the area. People nearby panicked, not knowing what just happened. Smoke started rising from the rooftop. For a moment, it felt like something out of a disaster movie. But luckily, the damage was mostly limited to the top floors. Emergency teams quickly responded and controlled the situation.